Kita di sini, Museum Komodo. Welcome to Museum Komodo. Oke, ayo. Kasih ya.
1, 2, 3.
Komodo, komodo.
Can you go up?
Come sir. Kasih. Bye. Come sir. Wow, look sir, look here.
Should we hire one of those cars?
Sekarang kita mau menuju ke Museum Komodo. Tapi kita tunggu sini dah berdua. Iya, wait. Wait lebih.
You see the turtle? You can don't touch the glass. Just say hi to the turtle. Look at the small one. You see the small one? It's a big snake. You're not scared of the snake? No. Oh. Yeah. Which color is it? Yeah. Look, look. It's a salamander. This is a salamander.
Now go look for more snakes. Now look for more snakes, Daddy. Go, go.
You don't see it?
There.
Yeah, don't touch the glass.
What's this?
It's a lizard.
No, on the stairs.
Look, it's looking at you.
It's big. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What's there? What's there?
Okay, come this way.
What's there?
It's another lizard. It's iguana.
What's there? Nothing. Oh, what's here?
Look, they have crocodile. Here, Sarah.
Look how there.
There.
What's there? What's there? What's this?
Crocodile.
Owl snake?
It's biawak.
No, it's not banana. I want to find snake. Find snake.
Do you see it? There. Scary or no?
Oh, look. It's people there. What's this? What's this? It's hiding for us. I will see it. I can see it. Whoa! It's us. This crocodile want to.
There it is.
What's it? Why be quiet?
So he doesn't hear me. Okay. Keep them down. Ah, there. feeding. Let go, let go. There we go. Yeah, another one.
Oh, oh.
Let me show you. Like this.
Now the another one.
Look, here you go.
That.
That one.
This.
Ah, yeah. You can do it. Lower down.
Oh, they're happy now.
They're happy, they got it. Yeah. You want to grab another one?
So they eating.
Yes, look. Press. Open.
Oh,
Okay, go. Not too close. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. Yay!
nice.
Should I feed it?
Beep, beep, beep.
Doesn't want. The dog doesn't want. No. But this one, look.
Oh,
Look. Yeah. Oh.
oh.
Masih beberapa tahun yang lalu gitu.
Persiapan foto. Ini studio di Taman Mini. Lokasinya di dekat Keongmas. Nih, studio foto. Itu bisa sewa baju juga, baju adat buat foto-foto di sini. Untuk detailnya nanti cek aja langsung di website Taman Mini atau akun IG Taman Mini. Bisa foto-foto di luar, di rumah-rumah adat atau di studionya.
Mommy have button.
Yes.
Mommy, so no button.